Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Alex here, and today I want to show you a really cool Samsung Galaxy feature that I think a lot of you guys are going to appreciate. Now, what I'm talking about is the ability to have priority apps. So you can see in my app drawer, I have these two rows right here that have my priority apps, and all of the apps that you use most often will always show up in here. So I don't need to scroll through my whole entire app drawer to look for the most popular apps. They'll just always live up here for easy access. And another nice feature I like about this is it will condense all of your app drawer applications into one page that you can scroll through. So instead of having multiple pages that you need to swipe to get to the rest of your apps, it will just condense everything into this one page. I really like that a lot more than the default behavior. Another cool thing included in this feature that I'm going to show you guys is how to infinitely loop through your home pages. So you can see that I can just keep scrolling and it will just loop through my home pages instead of getting stuck and then having to go back the other way. I can just keep going forever. And the last thing I'm going to show you guys is how to change the look of your background app. So you can see mine probably looks pretty different than what yours looks like, and I'm going to show you how to set this up. Now, what's really nice is all of these things that I just showed you are all part of one feature. And to set this up, what you're going to want to do is go to your Galaxy store and look for the Good Lock module. If you don't have Good Lock available in your region, go to the Google Play Store and search for something called Fine Lock. It is exactly the same thing as Good Lock, but it's available in more regions. So go ahead and search for that and install it on your phone. Once you do, open it up and then look for the Home Up module. It's under this makeup section right here. Go into here, and if it's your first time using it, it'll ask you to install it. So just go ahead and install it. And once you do, go to this home screen section right here, and you'll see an option here to loop pages. So what this is going to do, if I disable this, you can see that I can no longer infinitely loop my pages. So I really like having the ability to be able to just loop through all of my home screen pages. Now, to get this to work, you're actually going to have to disable your Google news feed right here. So if you have this enabled, this actually won't work. You can see it doesn't allow it to loop. But if you want to have it loop and you don't really care about the Google feed right here, just long press on your home screen, go over here and disable this feature right here. And now you'll be able to loop. All right, next I'm going to show you how to set up those priority apps. So right under loop pages, there's this apps list feature right here. So if I disable this, I'll show you what it looks like by default. So you can see we don't have those priority apps right here, and all of our applications are categorized by folders. So I have to swipe over to see all of my remaining apps. I would rather have everything just on one page and just be able to scroll through it, like I said. So to set that up, obviously, we're going to go back into here and enable apps list. And now you can see we have our priority apps that will always show up here, and all of your other apps will just be grouped in one page that you can scroll through. I really like this a lot more than the stock Galaxy setup. Next, what we're going to do is go back into our home screen application. We're going to go back to the Home Up homepage. We're going to go down here to Task Changer, and this is where we can change how the background tasks look on our phone. So I like the stack one, but you can see we have a choice between list, which will look something like this. We also have grid, which will look like that. We got stack, which you just saw. We have vertical list. And then we also have, if we go back here, we also have slim list. Now, I also really like slim list because it really condenses everything and you can see a lot more on your screen at once, but I usually stick with stacks. I really like this one the most. And another thing in here that I also enable is this app label right here. So you can see that I have names of the apps next to the icons. If you disable this, if you don't want it, you can get rid of those names up there, but I kind of like it a little bit more with app label enabled. And then another thing in here that I disable is this recommended apps. So this is enabled by default, and you can see that down here you'll have your recommended apps. I never use this and I don't really like how it looks. It's just a little bit cluttered. So if you disable this, you can see that it goes away and everything looks a lot more clean. And there you go, guys. That's pretty much everything you need to do to set up these features. Pretty simple. It's all done just with this one Home Up module within Good Lock. So definitely go through here and set this up for yourself as well. But that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for future videos to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.